Hello everyone, I am Shrankla and I am going to tell you about the HRD and the DOB process. Let's first talk about the HRD process. What is HRD? The full form of HRD is Human Resource Development and it is an attestation stamped by the Ministry of Human Resource Development on your educational documents. All your educational documents must be authenticated by the Ministry of Human Resource Development of the concerned state from where the documents were issued. Now let us understand this with the help of some examples. Example number 1. You are a student who has completed his graduation from any university in Madhya Pradesh. Now in this case, you will have to go to the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, that is Bhopal, to the Ministry of Human Resource Development for the HRD process. Example number 2. You are a student who lives in Indore but has completed his graduation from a university in Gujarat. Now in this case, you will have to go to the capital city of Gujarat, that is Gandhinagar, to the Ministry of Human Resource Development for the HRD process. Example number 3. You are a student who is living in Indore but has completed his graduation from an open university. Now in this case, you will have to check the registered office of that particular university and you will have to go to the capital city of the concerned state to the Ministry of Human Resource Development for the HRD process. Example number 4. You are a bachelor's pursuing student. Now in this case, as soon as you are done with your examinations and the results are out, you are requested to take continuous follow-up with your college authorities or the university for the issuance of provisional degree certificate. If you have any doubt or query, please feel free to contact the Italian VFS office. Now let us understand the HRD attestation procedure. There are 2 steps involved in this procedure. Step 1 is verification of documents. Now there may be cases in step 1 itself. Case number 1. The student is required to take along with him the original degree certificate to the registrar of the university and get it verified. Case number 2. The student is required to contact his college authorities and get an authorization on the letterhead that he has received the offer letter from the Italian university. Case number 3. The student is required to get an authorization on the offer letter received from the Italian university by the college. Step number 2. The Ministry HRD attestation. After the completion of step 1, that is the verification of documents, the Ministry of HRD of the concerned state is now going to put a stamp and signature on your original degree certificate. And so the HRD process is complete. Documents that are required to take along with you for the HRD attestation procedure. First is the original degree certificate along with all the semester mark sheets. Second is your passport or your national ID. Third is the offer letter from the Italian university. And fourth are 2 passport size photographs. If you have any doubt or query related to the HRD attestation procedure, please contact the Ministry of Human Resource Development of the concerned state from where your documents were issued. Now that we have understood the HRD process, let's move on to the DOB process, that is Declaration of Value. Declaration of value does not depend on where the student is currently living. It depends on the state from where you have completed your education. Now let us understand the DOB process with the help of some cases. Case number 1. Your DOB will be done at the Delhi consulate if you have completed your education from any of these states in North India. Case number 2. Your DOB process will be done at the Mumbai consulate if you have completed your education from any of these states in central, southern and western India. Case number 3. Your DOB process will be done at the Kolkata consulate if you have completed your education from any of these states in East India. If you have any doubt or query related to the DOB process, please contact the Italian VFS Global office. Thank you. How to find the contact number of Ministry of Human Resource Development. The best way is to type on Google, where is the Ministry of HRD in the particular state. So in this case, we are typing it for Madhya Pradesh. So where is the Ministry of HRD in Madhya Pradesh? You are going to see it in Bhopal. It is in the capital city of the state. Now I am going to write in Google the contact number of the Ministry of Human Resource Development in Bhopal. So as I type, I will get the number of the Ministry of HRD of Bhopal. There it is on the screen. So the student can call on this number and ask for the process. If there is no reply from the Ministry of Human Resource Development, then the student should contact the CM's office. So the student has to type on Google, like in this case again we are typing for Madhya Pradesh CM office contact number, and he will get the contact number of CM's office. Here the student can call, and whatever problem he is facing, he can tell them about it, and they would be helping the student for the same. This needs to be done only in the case where there is no response from the Ministry of Human Resource Development.